The Cordless Pole Saw Kit is a versatile tool that combines the functionality of a mini chainsaw with the convenience of an adjustable pole, allowing for tree trimming up to 16 feet without a ladder. Equipped with a robust 1200-watt pure copper motor, this saw delivers efficient and rapid cutting, ensuring you can handle demanding tasks with ease. The saw features a flexible head that can rotate between 5 and 175 degrees, reducing strain on your wrists and arms during use. Included are two powerful 21-volt lithium-ion batteries, each providing up to 100 minutes of continuous use, ensuring you have ample power for extensive jobs. This tool boasts a convenient tool-free chain tensioning system and an automatic oiling system, simplifying maintenance and prolonging the life of the saw. Designed for a range of applications, this saw is perfect for use in gardens, farms, and orchards, making it an essential tool for any outdoor enthusiast.